grilling season. We're looking for the perfect side dish. I have Chef Tammy here. Chef, I wanted everybody to kind of get to know you. Chef's been with the company for a while. Give us a little insight on yourself here.
I've been with Four Winds for 15 years now. Worked hard, and fortunately, Four Winds believes in promoting from within and has allowed me the opportunity to have a lot of professional growth over the years.
I agree, yeah. Chef has rose through the rankings. She's went through a lot of different kitchens, and we're very blessed to have her here today with us on Cooking Creations. I want everybody to kind of see what dish she's bringing to you guys. I've challenged her. I asked her if she could come up with a perfect barbecue side dish. Bringing in a classic, but then doing a little bit of twist on it. So Chef, show us what you got. What do we have today? What are we doing?
All right, for our components, we've got mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, celery seed, salt and pepper, Mandarin oranges.
I love Gorgonzola. I know you brought Gorgonzola
cheese.
It's my favorite. I know it.
Strawberries, grapes, and
some toasted pecans.
Toasted pecans.
Oh, man, she's singing to my heart right now, everybody. All right. There you have it. Chef, you killed this dish. You did exactly what I asked. I wanted a classic with a twist, and you did it. All right, I'm grabbing a fork. I can't wait. I gotta try this, Chef. I gotta try it, man. You got the crunchy of the pecans and the cabbage, and the sweet of the fruit, and the creamy of the dressing. It touches every component.
Tanginess of the vinegar.
It touches every component. Okay, this is a must try, you guys. You guys have to try this in your next cookout, your next barbecue, your next whatever family gathering. Whip this thing up. It goes well with everything. Oh, all right. I got to get into this thing, so we're gonna sign off here. My kitchen, yours. Cooking Creations, man. Chef Brandon, Chef Tammy. Enjoy. Come on, get it.